Hi guys, Paul here from PA Outdoors Couple back at the old homestead, and we're going to be checking out another really awesome gift. This was gifted us. We won this JXE JXO, the Frostbreaker knife from Doug Shoe's Bushcrafts drawing, which is really awesome. And we're going to be doing some batoning today. So we have used this around the campsite since we got this, so it makes great fire sticks, chopping up things, stuff like that. We can do shavings with it. We kind of worked it out because we build a lot of fires while we camp, obviously, and she likes to use it when she makes her fire sticks and stuff like that, or feather sticks rather. So today, the last thing we haven't done with it so far is baton. So today I just got done cutting up a log with my silky katana boy. I'm gonna upload these back to back, so you know, it just is what it is. Maybe I'll throw you a picture of the stack once it gets done. Just gonna we're just harvesting some wood quick, so let's see how this does. All right, just using the old metal hammer. Got some ants in this one. Throw them right in the front. Put that one to the side. Alright, some of these actually have a nice dry spot in them, so I'm kind of focusing on that dry spot. Sorry. Backwoods rush hour going on right now. Lots of people. It's a Saturday, so everyone's out and about. This is, in my opinion, a very good test of the quality of the wood as well, because I prefer to only baton with hatchets that are built like this, because I've had them break before. But I know people are going to baton with their JXE JXO hatchets, so this is a test for sure. All right, so this was starting to get a little dull. I'll have to sharpen it up, but this is the last test for the Frostbreaker from JXE JXO. Thank you, Doug Shoe, for helping us get this awesome camp hatchet. And batoning was the last little test that we've had since we've used it, and it did succeed. So check it out, and check out Doug Shoe's channel, Doug Shoe Bushcraft, and search up JXE JXO. You'll find links to this hatchet on that website on YouTube. So anyway, this has been Paul from PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers, get outdoors, stay warm. Cheers.